Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure contractor scheduling with FieldPulse easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your FieldPulse app and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the scheduling tab on your dashboard. Click on the contractors option to begin setting up your contractor schedule. To add a new contractor, click on the Add Contractor button. Fill in the necessary information, including name, contact details, and specialty. After entering the details, click Save to confirm the addition of the contractor. Next, locate the calendar view on your scheduling page. Select the date you want to assign work to the contractor. Click on the specific day and select Create New Job. In the Job Details window, assign the contractor you just added. Set the job duration by choosing Start and End times. Add any relevant notes or attachments for the job if necessary. Click Save to finalize the job assignment to the contractor. You can review all scheduled jobs in the weekly or monthly view. To edit a job, click on it in the calendar and select the Edit option. Make any changes needed and save them. If you need to delete a job, click on it and select Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove the job from the schedule. Finally, ensure all contractors are aware of their assignments through notifications. Monitor the schedule regularly to make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.